What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a live analysis on volatility 50 index, and good enough we are going to see the result of the analysis at the end of the video, where I'm expecting to make at least thousands on this one trade alone. So starting from the daily time frame, we noticed the market right now is on our resistance level. Now this level is very important for three main reasons. First, it is a major or a higher time frame level considering it has occurred on the daily time frame. Secondly, this resistance level aligns itself with the trend, and you know they say that the trend is always your friend. Thirdly, I tend to believe that the more the level is tested, the stronger it becomes, although we have to always be on alerts on workouts such as this. Ladies and gentlemen, before we proceed with the video, please allow me to introduce you to the famous Chart Prime. Chart Prime provides unique trading indicators that automate a trader's job on technical analysis. They have a plethora of tools that make traders' job easy, especially on technical analysis, like automatic pattern detection and so on. For more details, please do click the links in the description below. Leaving that aside, let's now go to the lower time frame and look for proper sell entries so as to ride this trend perfectly. So we'll be starting with the 4-hour time frame, and on the 4-hour time frame we are seeing a shooting star, a very powerful bearish candlestick. In some of the books they call this a bearish pin bar. Now the psychology behind the formation of this pattern is that buyers try to push the market higher, but they get rejected by a very powerful selling pressure. Now when this candlestick forms near a resistance level such as this, it should be taken or considered as a very high probability setup, knowing very well that we already have a selling confirmation on this pair. We go to the lower time frames in searching of a proper sell opportunity. This is because I believe taking trades on higher time frame simply means having a huge stop loss, and that is not a good thing, because having huge stop loss means fewer positions, hence it will take forever to grow your account, and vice versa is true. So on the 30-minute time frame, that is where I find my perfect mini sell entry right here on the lower high. So I will enter the trades right away.
A few moments later.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join my VVIP mentorship services or a paid signal page, please do click the link in the description for details. Now please take this time to click the like button, then hit that subscribe button without forgetting to turn the notification bell icon on. Thank you for watching, and bye.